Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to add a calendar widget in Samsung Galaxy S22. To add any widget, we have to tap and hold empty space on our home screen until we see this menu. And here we have widgets. By default, we have a few options available, but we are interested in calendars. We have 4. And here we have a few to choose from. For example, let's use this one, add, and we can of course move it to our preferred screen, like here, and that's it. Our calendar is visible, active and working. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.